I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is life after weight loss. I ain't had my coffee yet, so don't expect me to be nice to y'all right now. But that is what we did. What day did we do that? I don't remember what day. Saturday. We're just going to start seasoning it up. Oh! Well, that wasn't too swooped. Oh, well, what do? You can't do much other seasoning now. Dump the whole thing of caramelized onion butter in there. Foo, doggy. That's going to be potent. Anyway, yeah, so that's what we did. Hang on just a second. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, it's not boiling yet. So I take out my frozen gelatin. And then I try not to step on my my helper. He looks so little down there, don't he? Hi, big boy. Hi, handsome. And then I'm going to give this a shake after what I just did. Anyway, so now I've got my lunch. I got my frozen gelatin, my lunch, and a Zevia. We are taking vanilla cola. And, y'all, I'm doing it. I'm taking a big spoon back. Oh, yeah. And I got these. I quit taking this prenatal vitamin. I can't feel right when I take vitamins. And this probiotic. So I'm going to see if anybody wants them. So I'll take them to work. And then I got this to remind. I wanted to look up and see what's going on next for CPC women. That's for church women. And, yeah. Then my water. And then I'll get all my other stuff. I got to get to my coffee. I love y'all, but goodbye. Told y'all yesterday I was trying something new so that I could have my curls. So usually I do my makeup first. Where you at? You're over there. Okay. Usually I do my makeup first. But we'll see. Let me do my makeup first and then we'll do this part. I just want to get it down because that's what I told y'all yesterday I did. And I'm going to show you all the way around. So this, and I don't even know what the back looks like. Like I said, this is the first time doing that. But I need to get my makeup. Look at these bangs. I don't care. All right, let me get my makeup on. Y'all, my music is so eclectic. Like 1 minute I got Jelly Roll. 1 minute I've got Brandon Lake. 1 minute I have some, I don't know, Rocky 4. It's the Eye of the Tiger. I'm telling you, my music is so eclectic. So, yeah. And anyway, so I had to make sure I paused it before I pushed play because there might have been a few cuss words. Although I will say, I don't like to cuss. And I really do try to avoid cussing. But there is one place where I'm not going to lie. The F-bomb has come out of my mouth more than once. And that's when I'm playing pool and I get a shot lined up and it's like, oh yeah, this is going to be a perfect shot. I am going to make it and it doesn't. I'm telling you. So, girl. Yeah, you're a girl. So, yeah. But anyway, all right. So now what we're going to do, well, let's see. These two things. This is just water. And then this is it's Curl Talk foam. My friend, she's a hairdresser and loves these products. So I got this, I just stood in the aisle and just looked at what my Walmart had. And it's called a, hang on, dog fur. It's called Refreshing Curl Foam. So it's a refreshing foam. And so I don't know. I don't think it has any hold to it. But it's just more of a, just putting a little mousse in there without the hold. So this is just water. It's one of those water bottles. You hold it. And it's supposed to keep coming. And it does pretty decent. I always miss this spot right there. Even though I'll do it a bunch of times. Afterwards, it just seems like, hang on, I'm going to get my water going. Afterwards, it just seems like I didn't get it done. So, we Sorry about that. An alarm will go off. Oh shoot, that means. Hey Alexa, what time is it?
It's 6:20 a.m.
6:20. Okay, we got 5 minutes before my final alarm goes off. I have alarms that go off at 6, 6:10, 6:20, and 6:25. There are mornings where I go till 6:25 because I'm just laying there and I'm not ready to get up and face the day yet. Yep. I need my glasses on. Again, that spot back there where the song that was on. So there's a guy named Struggle Jennings. I'm washing my hands over here. There's a guy named Struggle Jennings. And he is not Hank Jennings, Waylon Jennings' grandson. And he's kind of a rapper and a singer. But he has, oh my gosh, he's got this low, raspy voice. Doggy. And, but anyway, it's neat. He's got a couple songs where he kind of overlays his music with his grandpa's music. So it's kind of fun. But anyway, so that's who I was just listening to. So, all right, now, let's, you know, I gotta put things away as I go. Let me put this, and now let's see what I'm looking at here. I'm looking at them bangs, y'all, them bangs. I'm gonna scrunch it just a little bit. Listen, to make my life easier, I have not been editing my videos. So, that way I can keep recording every day. But that also means just know that I'm going to be using this. I do it like this. And like this. And then I hang my head upside down. So when I'm done, I'll be back. And hanging your head upside down is extremely important if you like volume. So if you don't like volume, don't worry about it, but when you hang your head upside down, I mean like all the way flipped over, that'll help give your roots volume. Because you know, I'm an 80s girl in a 2026 world. I like fluffy hair. I like shag. Anyway, but not Paul McCartney hair like I had Friday. Hello. Okay. It's 6:25. All I said was hello, and then the alarm told me 6:25. Anyway, so I'm thinking this is how I'm going to leave it. Now, I have not looked at the back yet, though. Hang on. Let me and I'm not done with my lips either. Hang on. Let me do this right quick. Make sure I don't have the split. Nope. A little bit right there, but it's not bad. So, because that's the whole point of putting my hair up. Anyway, I've gotten, because I put spray and stuff in my hair, I'd get, I don't know. I'm a very routine person, y'all. Very routine. And if I get off my routine, that's it. I'm like all discombobulated. But, so I clean my glasses and do my lips at the very end. That way, my glasses are clean before I put my lipstick on. And then, he's been in here all morning trying to chase me out. He's ready for me to leave and him to get his T-R-E-A-T. He wants one so bad. They get him once after they're done eating and once when I leave the house. And so when he hears my blow dryer, he knows I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer to going to work. So, a little twerk. All right, hang on. Hang on. All right, that's the color we're going with today. It's a little extra neutral, but we're okay with that. We're okay with that. We're okay. All right, now I'm ready to get my clothes on and go to work. Now, okay, hang on, I gotta check. So I did my nose spray. I set up my bedtime pills. I did my eye drops. Got my little nicotine patch. Okay, my little 1/6 of a nicotine patch. All right, I'm good. Yeah, all right, I got to get one. Bye. As if, y'all know, I don't have to be at work till 8. I literally live 7 minutes away from my job. Literally. It's not even 7 o'clock. So by the time I get done getting ready, it's going to be 6:55 at the latest. And I'm still going to go to work because I have a time management problem. Bye. Hey guys, it's lunchtime. I showed y'all me putting it together. So I haven't taken a bite to see how strong that seasoning was, but there it is. I don't have a lot to say since I showed y'all me putting it together. But yeah, look at that. Look at that pretty field behind me. Isn't that fancy? Oh, sorry I dropped y'all, but look, isn't that nice little scenery? Okay, anyway, it's gonna be good, but okay, let's take a bite. Hold on. Hopefully I won't drop you again. Let's take a bite and see if I got too much. It's good. This one has, like I did, I showed y'all me doing them Saturday. So y'all know that's just all the things in here. There's some few carrots and some cauliflower and peppers. I'm at the smoker's table and they're starting to come out, so I want to hurry up. So that way they can not have to have me jibber jabbering. We have a Zevia cola, so that's what we got today. All right, I will see you at supper. All right, now, how you doing? I'm home, as you can see, by those little eyeballs thinking, guys, she starves me to death. I went outside to go potty, and when I came in, brother's breath smelled like whipped cream. She gave brother whipped cream and didn't even give me nothing. Nothing. Except, well, supper and a peanut butter treat, but nothing. I'm a starving boy. Hear him tell it. All right, so my salad, I use shredded cabbage. For those who are new, I buy cabbage because it stays fresher longer. And you get that crunch. Because in the past, I used to meal prep my salads and take them to work. And so it stayed fresher longer. So I use that tri-color coleslaw from Walmart produce section. And I also have a little bit of shredded rutabaga. I have some peppers, some tomatoes. Oh, and somebody from work had one of those zucchinis that are like, I swear it's about like that big around and about that long. So I cut it up and I thought, even if I froze some of it and I kept some of it out. So there's zucchini, red onion, yellow onion. Did I say peppers? Tomatoes and those sun-dried tomatoes. And then my dressing, I just add to it, y'all. Like when it starts getting low, I just add random stuff. But this time I added some Thousand Island, Walden Farms Thousand Island, and GU's honey mustard dipping sauce. His dressings are like 60, 70 calories, but his dipping sauces are less. So it's like, it's honey mustard. So why does it matter? So anyway, let me have a bite here. And then I seasoned it up with some adobo with pepper. There was a video I saw on TikTok, and this was this guy. And he was like, me eating out versus me eating by myself. And he was taking like dainty bites, and then we got home, big old burger. No, I ain't even that way. I'll eat in front of people the same way I eat here. Now, this is 1/3 pound of ground beef with, I don't know, maybe a tablespoon of those, the Great Value real bacon pieces. and then 1 slice of fat-free cheese. It's low calorie, so I like it. And then I added some G. Hughes ketchup and a little G. Hughes honey mustard dipping sauce. So, yeah, got me like a little bacon cheeseburger honey mustard ketchup-y type situation. And it's going to be good. Listen, y'all, you can eat the same stuff every day and just change it up. I could have put some red sauce in here and some and a little bit of that little cheese, that grated parm. I'm gonna take another bite. Hang on. I could have put that in my salad, add a little bit of Greek yogurt and some salsa, and had me a taco bowl. I could have had that with some feta cheese and some kind of Italian seasonings. There's so many things you can do. So even though it may look like I'm eating the same ground beef every day, it's never the same meal twice because of the seasonings. I just kind of shuffle those up. Hang on, I got to get my shoes off. Now, this situation, I don't know if this did anything. So this is blueberry pie, keto chow. And I have on this little sticker, it says, plus 1 tablespoon of gelatin. Now, I didn't do the whole bloom and let it bloom and stuff, I don't think. So I'm curious if it'll do anything to it. It does seem a little thicker. So for those who don't know and who are new, this is keto chow protein powder. I mix it with water and I put it in here and I pop it in the freezer. I have a Ninja ice cream machine. And so this whole thing is like 120 calories. And and it's just protein powder and water. I do not add a fat to it because I eat it as a dessert. My body, when it's all gets in my tum-tum, there will be some fat from my ground beef. Not from my cheese because it's fat-free cheese. But there'll be fat and the bacon pieces. So there is some fat in my meal. So once it all gets in my tummy tum-tum, it'll all be doing its thing. But the texture I prefer for ice cream is the scoopable ice cream. I like that way more than like the soft serve. But it does seem like it thickened it up a little bit. Anyway, that's my supper. I love y'all, but I got things to do and places to not be. Bye.